Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search for Gmail app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. In this page we click on clear cache. Here we click on this sign to turn on your airplane mode, and you turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.